Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make green screen in CapCut PC. So here I've already opened a new project on CapCut PC. I'm going to just start by adding the green screen background. So here you can just go to the stock materials or CapCut library and search for green screen. Okay, so here I'm going to just use this green screen image as the background. So let's click on plus icon, and now you can just add the videos that you want to add it into green screen. Okay, after you add the background, let's add the video that you want to add into the green screen. So I'm going to just go I'm going to just use a video from the stock videos. I'm going to just find a video here. Okay, so after you find a video that you want to add it into the green screen, just download it and drag it. So I'm going to use this video and I'm going to just download it first. So I've already added into the timeline, and here I'm going to adjust the length of the background to match with the videos. Just drag it like this, and now you can just click on the overlay and remove the background. So let's go to remove PG and just use the auto removal because this is a human figure and only one. So I'm going to just use this automatic cutout. So now the background has been removed, and this is the green screen that I created on CapCut. So you can do it. That's how you can make green screen in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.